What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today I want to show you guys this unit from Rxy Hair, and I'm excited to show it because this look did really well on Instagram. And yeah, I just want to show you guys how I achieved that fluffy, voluminous but still body wave type of look. So this is the wig. I did customize it and this is how it looks, but I am going to show it to you later and tell you what I did to it. I want to show you guys the little gifts that Rxy gives you in the little package. So first you get this weaving cap, and then you get an elastic, which is super helpful because you can use this to lay your wig. And this is the wig. So the wig is a frontal. It is 13x4, and I absolutely love the texture, the volume, the body, the way that it curls. It is stunning. I did bleach and over bleach my knots, but that is not a problem. I actually liked the way that it looked on my head because it didn't go too far down. And yeah, it's got a middle part, it's got lace at the bottom, it's got clips, and it's got these little hooks, and the tracks are done beautifully. It's impeccable work. And yeah, this is just a very nice, easy frontal, and the curls are stunning. The body is great, and obviously because I did bleach the knots, I did wash this hair and it remained very shiny, very lustrous, very pretty, very pretty hair. So all I'm really going to do now is cut off the lace. I'm not going to be using the lace at the bottom. I am only going to use the lace at the top. So this is kind of how it looks when I just pop it on my head. All I did was put some foundation on there just to make the lace blend with my skin, and then I'm going to tie my hair back because it's time for me to lay the hair. So I'm gonna pop the lace back a bit and then take my black bottle of Got2b, and I'm going to just put that around the perimeter of my hair and lay my wig. I've got 1,000 tutorials on this, so I'm just going to let you watch, but all I'm really going to do is make the glue tacky, and then I'm gonna lay it, and it laid beautifully. I did feel like I cut a bit too much on the side, but it literally did not matter. It still looked so nice. And then I'm going to just lay my lace just so that it melts nicely, and then when I take it off, this is how the hair looks. So all I really did was take sections and curl my hair. That is quite literally it. It was so easy, and the hair holds curls beautifully. They look so nice, and all I did here was just break them and then use my hot comb to kind of lay the top of my hair, and that's literally it. So there you have it, you guys. That is this wig. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And yeah, if you want to shop this hair, I will put the link in the description box. If I've got a discount code, I'll also add that. And yeah, I'll give you guys the links and everything that you need. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.